In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this improved lattice animation in less than 5 minutes. S and X to scale in the X-axis. In edit mode, right-click and S to subdivide 50 times like this. Shift-D to duplicate, and Enter to settle. S to slightly scale the duplicated cube down a bit. Shift-Z to wireframe. We can see there are two cubes, and the duplicated one is a bit smaller than the original one. Let's create a new lattice for the duplicated cube. I'll change the theme, so we can see the objects clearly. I'll put 16 for the resolution U, V, and W to give more details. Please make sure to add this lattice object to the smaller cube. If we select the middle vertices of the lattice object, and scale them proportionally, then we'll be able to see the new shape. G and X to move on the X-axis. We'll add a new set of nodes for the duplicated cube. I'll share the fully zoomed nodes shortly. If we move the lattice object on the X-axis, then we can see the effect. Here are the full nodes. As usual, I'll set the last frame to 100. I'll also create new keyframes on the first and the last frame. On frame 50, I'll set a new keyframe after moving the lattice object on the X-axis. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.